is porphyria? Porphyria is a collection of diseases that all result from an issue with the heme synthesis pathway. Heme is this big molecule that helps to form hemoglobin, which carries oxygen throughout your body. This is the pathway. As you can see, it consists of many big words. Each of these is an intermediate leading to the product, heme. These are the enzymes that make the pathway work. When an enzyme doesn't work, it leads to a specific disorder. Here are the disorders associated with each enzyme. Note that the first disorder is not a porphyria. So this is a lot to take in at once. Let's focus on just the pathway and imagine that it is an assembly line. So here's our conveyor belt, and we'll say that the enzymes are the workers and the intermediates are the objects the workers are building. Our first materials are succinyl-CoA and glycine. Our first worker is able to build ALA from these. The next worker transforms this into PBG and passes it on. The third worker, PBGD, creates HMB from this molecule and passes it on to the fourth worker. The pathway continues. But let's imagine that PBGD is falling asleep on the job. The PBG is created, and he doesn't even notice it pass him, so he doesn't transform it into HMB. This means our next worker enzyme, uroporphyrin 3 synthase, receives a molecule it doesn't know. It can't transform this into anything because it doesn't have the training. But while PBGD is sleeping, the other enzyme workers keep working. This means that the porphyrin continues to build up until uroporphyrin 3 synthase is completely overwhelmed. Let's not put all the blame on PBGD. Remember that there's a disorder associated with each enzyme. So here we'll look at some of these disorders. Now, why is a buildup of porphyrin so bad? Porphyrin is a photosensitive molecule, meaning that when the sun hits it, it becomes excited. When a molecule is excited, it releases energy. Because porphyrin builds up in the skin's blood vessels, this energy is released directly into the skin, resulting in painful blisters. This porphyrin buildup can also occur in the liver and bone marrow and lead to extreme abdominal pain. Porphyrias are complicated disorders that still aren't fully understood and have no current cure. Fortunately, they are rare, and research is constantly improving quality of life for those suffering from these disorders.